It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2021 Ranger XLT in Oxford White, black cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 4-foot box. This box has a spray-in liner and tie-downs in all 4 corners. You also have a trailer tow hitch, as well as a running board, a sliding rear window, navigation, reverse camera, and many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with power lumbar, all-weather mats on the floor, and you have your lighting controls, high mount light, your mirror controls, and there's also a running board, just making it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel, we have our dash controls, adaptive cruise control, media with volume, and hands-free dialing. And when we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and your menu's going to come up. And so we're just going to get out of there and get in to the menu. Trip 1, Trip 2, fuel economy, truck info, driver assist, settings, and these all have sub-menus. There's a little cubby up top, and we're looking at our display menu right now in the climate. It's highlighted, dual climate control, and there's your AC, front and rear defrost. If we go into audio, we just touch on it. We can go into our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You also have navigation, and that brings up your map. You can choose your destination. We can go into settings, and you're going to see different options. There's your Bluetooth, your navigation again, general, which has the language and the distance, Apple CarPlay, vehicle, and your display screen. So let's go in there. And right now we've got the night mode on. It's a little bit darker. Let's, if we want to brighten it up, we can hit day, and there we go. We've got the brighter one. And then you can just go through different options that you have in there. And as you can see, it's just touch whatever it is that you would like. Now, if you put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see our backup camera view here. So right off the back bumper, there's your trailer hitch, central line, green, yellow, red. And that's just showing you how close you are to other objects or vehicles when going in reverse. Let's put us back into park. There's your volume and tuner. There's your dual climate control. And you have heated seats for both driver and passenger, AC and max AC. The fan's in the center there. And you also have your front and rear defrost, 12 volts and USB outlets, and you've got hill descent, auto stop start for less idle time, locking differential, tow haul, parking sensors, and traction control. And then you have your 4x4, you also have TM, which is terrain modes. And there you've got normal, press again, grass, gravel, snow, press, mud ruts, and one last time sand, and then back around again. So as road conditions change, as the weather changes, you can make changes to your terrain mode, and you have an automatic select shifter, emergency parking brake, couple of cup holders. The armrest opens up, gives you lots of storage in there, and then off to the side is your glove compartment, grab handle in the body, auto dimming rear view mirror. We've got our lighting controls and a sunglass holder. 17-inch wheels, running boards, black door handle, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. The black handle extends to the tailgate, and the tailgate is lockable. Just below the Ford badge is where your backup camera is located, backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you want to open up that tailgate, simply put your hand in the latch. Got this nice spray-in liner, tie downs in all 4 corners. And then when you're ready, close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows and power locks. You've got seating for 3, and this is a bench seat. In the center is an armrest with a couple of cup holders. We're going to flip that up for a moment. And then underneath the seat, you've got a tab on either end. You only need to pull one, and it'll bring the whole seat up. You've got a nice little storage area and your jack, and then just bring it back down. You can bring down your armrest if you want. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat and all-weather mats on the floor. And you also have USB outlets and a 110. Your dome lighting up top, as well as hooks and handles, and access to a sliding window in the rear with rear defrost. Trailer hitch in the rear, 4-foot box that's lined. Privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.